Salut! I'm Sumo from FrenchArena. Are you ready to talk about the weather today? On commence! Sometimes when you're having a French conversation, you may want to talk about the weather, but you realize you don't quite know what terms to use or what words or even how to talk about the weather. In this video, I will start with absolute basic words that you would need to form sentences, and then also show you some intermediate phrases and some fun expressions that have to do with the weather. Let's start. If this is your first time here, bienvenue. Et aussi, please do not forget to subscribe. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Merci. Now, the first word you need to learn is weather. How do you say weather in French? We say le temps. Le temps. Now, we're going to take a look at 20 French weather terms. On commence. Number 1, de la pluie. De la pluie. Number 2, du soleil. Du soleil. Number 3, l'arc-en-ciel. L'arc-en-ciel. Number 4, de la neige. De la neige. Number 5, de la foudre. De la foudre. Number 6, de la grêle. De la grêle. Number 7, du brouillard. Du brouillard. Number 8, le flocon de neige. Le flocon de neige. Number 9, l'ouragan. L'ouragan. Number 10, la tempête de neige. La tempête de neige. Number 11, en orage. En orage. Number 12, du vent. Du vent. Number 13, la canicule. La canicule. Number 14, l'inondation. L'inondation. Number 15, de la glace. De la glace. Number 16, en nuage. En nuage. Number 17, une tempête. Une tempête. Number 18, du tonnerre. Du tonnerre. Number 19, une tornade. Une tornade. And the final one, number 20, du givre. Du givre. So, did you learn any new French weather terms? If you know any other ones, please leave them in the comment section. Now we're going to look at how we actually say it is sunny, it is rainy, it is cloudy, okay? In the English language, you would use the verb to be. So for instance, you would say it is nice out, which in French is je suis, it is nice out. Or you can say it is 50 degrees Celsius, okay? But in the French language, we do not use the verb être, we use the verb faire. And it might seem a bit difficult at first for English speakers because we want to translate it word for word, but that's not how it is in the French language. You have to link the French words to the idea, to the image, to the feelings you want to express, and not to the English words. Now, there are 3 main sentence constructions for the weather in French. Number 1, il fait plus adjective masculine singular. So for example, il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. Number 2, il y a plus the article plus the noun. So for example, il y a de la pluie. Il y a de la pluie. And number 3, il plus the specific weather verb. So for example, il pleut, il neige. I know that the il construction may look a bit weird to you, but it's actually good because for the first time in the French language, you do not have to conjugate any word. You just have to know that when you're talking about the weather, most times you would use il. Now, I'm going to take you through some basic sentences to help you talk about the weather. Number 1, quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Which is basically, what is the weather like? How's the weather like? Number 2, il fait beau. Il fait beau. And this expression just really means the sun is shining, the sky is blue, whatever you think makes a pleasant weather. Number 3, il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. And this expression just talks about probably it's gray outside, you know, it's cloudy, whatever you think might describe unpleasant weather. Number 4, il fait chaud. il fait chaud. Or you can also say il fait trop chaud. It's too hot out. Il fait trop chaud. Number 5, il fait froid. Il fait froid. Or il fait très froid. Il fait très froid. Number 6, il fait frais. Il fait frais. Number 7, il fait moche. Il fait moche. Number 8, il fait beaucoup de vent. Il fait beaucoup de vent. Number 9, il fait du soleil. Il fait du soleil. Number 10, il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. Now, you can also start your basic weather sentences with c'est, followed by an adjective. Let me show you 5 examples. Number 11, c'est nuageux. C'est nuageux. Number 12, c'est gelé. C'est gelé. Number 13, c'est glacé. C'est glacé. Number 14, c'est humide. C'est humide. And number 15, c'est orageux. C'est orageux. Now, we're going to look at 10 French sentences to describe nice weather. I'm hoping you're loving this lesson so far. Please do not forget to like, share, and comment. Number 1, I can say il fait un temps superbe or il fait un temps splendide, which basically means it's a gorgeous day out. Number 2, le temps s'améliore. Le temps s'améliore. Number 3, le ciel est clair dégagé. Le ciel est clair dégagé. Number 4, le temps est beau fixe. Le temps est beau fixe. Number 5, il fera bon. Il fera bon. Number 6, c'est beau à Paris quand il neige à gros flocons. Number 7, il n'y a pas un nuage en vue. Il n'y a pas un nuage en vue. Number 8, il y a un petit vent rafraîchissant. Il fait froid, mais le ciel est tout bleu et le soleil brille. Number 10, quel beau coucher de soleil. Le ciel est tout rouge. Now, we're going to take a look at 15 different bad weather French sentences. Number 1, il ne fait pas beau. Il ne fait pas beau. Number 2, il fait froid or il fait très froid. Number 3, il fait lourd or il fait orageux. Number 4, il faisait trop frais. Il faisait trop frais. Number 5, la pluie tombe à torrent. La pluie tombe à torrent. Number 6, la journée est pluvieuse. La journée est pluvieuse. Number 7, il fait un temps affreux. Il fait un temps affreux. Number 8, il a fait gris. Il a fait gris. Number 9, il fait un temps épouvantable. Il fait un temps épouvantable. Le temps est changeant, incertain. Number 11, il est tombé quelques gouttes. Il est tombé quelques gouttes. Number 12, le temps se dégrade. Le temps se dégrade. The next one, le ciel est couvert. Le ciel est couvert. The next one, il fait une chaleur torride. Il fait une chaleur torride. And number 15, c'est la canicule. C'est la canicule. Now, we're going to take a look at French weather idioms. I'm going to give you just 5 sentences. Number 1, il fait un temps de chien. Il fait un temps de chien, which literally means it's weather fit for a dog, but obviously that's not what it's really saying, that the weather outside is horrible. It's really, really bad. Number 2, il pleut des cordes or il tombe des cordes. And this literally means it's raining ropes, but obviously it can't be raining ropes. It just means it's raining cats and dogs. Number 3, il fait un froid de canard. Il fait un froid de canard. Now, this translates to it makes a cold of a duck, which doesn't make much sense, right? But it just means it's literally freezing outside. It's really, really cold outside. Number 4, il y a un vent à décroner un bœuf. This idiom translates to there's a wind that could take away cow's horns, but it just really means there's very strong wind. And number 5, sakai. Sakai. This is like a slang, it just means it's freezing. So yes, how did you enjoy today's lesson? You've learned over 50 ways in which you can talk about the French weather. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video, and share with anyone who would also like to understand basic French terms or French idioms, or just how to basically say it's windy outside today. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson, and I will see you in this video. Bonne journée.